Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this absolutely stunning Jaguar XF. It's the limited edition black edition. Absolutely fantastic spec, facelift model, front park distance control. It's black wherever it should be usually chrome. So you've got the lovely black grille, black down there, the upgraded gloss black alloy wheels, full R Sport body styling kit, privacy glass to the rear. For a 2.2 Jag XF as well, it's got the rare twin exhausts with a bigger rear diffuser, rear park distance control, rear spoiler. Please don't confuse this with the other R Sports. This is a real special one. Look at that. Bodywork's in absolutely fantastic condition. Love the way it's all black across here as well. You can always tell a car has been looked after. It's got a boot mat over there to protect it. R Sport half leather Alcantara trim, electric windows, electric mirrors, R Sport kick plates. There's just nowhere on that seat. Look at that, it's absolutely in superb condition. Service history is superb. Just started up. You've got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Just close the door for a minute. See if we can get the mileage up. 95,070 miles. Satellite navigation, that'll come up in a minute. Just initialising. Aux USB, locking wheel nut. Bluetooth connectivity. Full menu, sorry. Navigation, let's get that up. Reverse camera. Climate control. Really is in lovely condition. Paddle shift on the gearbox as well if you want to drive it like that. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.